Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are out here at a local pond. I didn't want to go far today. It was rainy, so we are here at the local pond today to catch some trout. They just planted just recently, so let's see how many trout we can land in our local pond today. I'll probably be throwing jigs out first. If that doesn't work, we'll always use a spoon. So if you're new to fishing and want to start somewhere, look up your local ponds to see where they're planting and go fishing, you guys. The giveaway for this is going to be the mystery bag number 19, you guys. So you know what you got to do. Drop a like, drop a sub, comment the word MTB19 to be in for the giveaway, you guys. Other than that, it's rainy. Let's go fishing. Ooh. Oh man, how did that get snagged? Oh, I lost that one. Ah, come on. Oh man, that is not a bad size. Since I was not getting any more bites in the area, what I should have done was stay in the same area and just switch from the char color jig to the grasshopper jig. Finally. I decided to go back to the original area that I was at. Unfortunately, I missed a lot of hook sets. Finally got another one. Man, finally, man. After all the little short strikes. Recapping the day after 2.5 hours, the bite changed for me a lot. I was hooking up in the morning, and then after that it kind of stopped, and then I changed lures until I found the correct one at the end, the grasshopper color, but a lot of short strikes. I mean, I was getting swiped but could not set the hook. I think I caught like about 5. So I'm happy with that. It's been a rainy day today. It's been raining all day. Hopefully this rain stops within a week, and we'll get back to more fishing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till then, fish on, you guys.